Good morning students, welcome to St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. Chapter number 12, Work We Do. In our previous video we completed our lesson number 11, our vehicles. So from today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 12, Work We Do, page number 80. Now we can see Work We Do. From title, what we can say students? We can say that the lesson is all about different kind of work. Different work done by different people, different work done by people in your neighborhood, different household work, working children and child labor. Okay. So what is work, students? Like work is an activity that a person engage in regularly to earn money or to live effectively. Why do we need to do work? Working, whether paid or unpaid, it's good for our health and well-being. It contributes our happiness. That means when we do some work, it makes us happy. Work builds our confidence. Let's see that who does what work in our family. Father. Father earn money. He help mother in household works. Mother looks after entire family. She is a multitasker. She cooks for us. Brother brings vegetable from market and other small work of market. Sister also helps mother in household work. She studies also. Okay, now let's start with the chapter. Now you can see here students. Into the picture we can see that post office, tea stall, construction work. You can see students, construction work is going on. Traffic police, workers are working here. Students, teacher. You can see here students. Boy is working in tea stall. He is giving tea to the customers. Okay, let's see. Like other days, Ramesh was doing machine work. What is machine work, students? Machine job is to make new buildings. A person who builds or works with stone or bricks called machine. Now, Ramesh was doing machine work. He reached the tea stall after his breakfast. His brother Rajesh, who had come from the village, was also with him. Now, you can see here students. Sorry. You can see here that Ramesh and Rajesh sitting at the tea stall. You can see Ramesh and Rajesh sitting at the tea stall. The worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here is today's newspaper." You can see that here. Worker. How will you spend your whole day sitting here? Don't you get bored? Asked Rajesh. No, I will do my work and look around how many are doing different work, said Ramesh. One does not realize how the time flies. Look at the group of children. As usual, they are late for school. Everyone is running. The teacher is also late today. Oh, it seems her sandal has broken. You can see that here. You can see her sandal was broken. Has broken. She is going to Jagubai to get repaired. Now who is Jagubai, students? Jagubai is cobbler. You can see here. Jagubai is cobbler. Cobbler means a person who mends and makes shoe. He called cobblers. It's good for him. He will get some money early in the morning. Champa is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. The lady working in the post office buys flowers from her every day. The construction work has started again. The truck is bringing material. The worker will again be busy for the whole day. Look there, the doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together. See, Reggie with his fruit cart. These days he also brings Mamta with him. Mamta runs around, deliver fruits and collect money. Nanu the barber has laid out his shop, but whom will he save? Right in the middle of the crossing stands Iqbal Singh. Throughout the day, he blows his whistle and keeps shouting, "Move your vehicle from here. Hey, have you not heard me? Take the cart away." Saying this, Ramesh put down his empty cup and walked to a nearby shop. How do people sell their things at crossroad or weekly market? Do that. Now think and write. Look carefully at the picture and write what work is being done by different people. Now go to the picture, students. You can see here, students. You can see, students, a woman is sweeping outside the post office. You can see here. A woman is sweeping outside the post office. Masons are making a house. You can see here, doctor is going to hospital. A woman is going to the post office. Children are going to school. A vendor is selling vegetables. Shopkeepers are waiting for customers. You can see here, drivers are driving their vehicles. Okay. So complete this exercise in your book as a homework. Okay, students, thank you.